देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान है। Good morning to Honorable HM sir, all my teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. My name is Sanya Kamlesh Vasni. I am studying in 7th class. My school name is St. Paul English Primary School, Bhandara. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens, so we celebrate this day. We all we welcome you all to our 15th August Independence Day celebration. It is a day celebrated in the memory of those who sacrificed their lives for their country. Due to the selfless sacrifice of the people, we are living in a free country. It's a way to pay tribute to freedom fighters. One of the reasons for Independence Day celebration is to pay off pay our tribute to our freedom fighters. So let us start our program. From KG2, Kumari Krishna Venu Kharmate will present a speech on Independence Day.
Morning to all, respected third teacher and my dear friend. My name is Krishna Venu. Presenting a speech we got independence of 15 August 1947. We should in the world remember Andit Dhanan, Great Liman, Dahid, Jai Bharat.
Now Kumari Siuna Dayal of first standard will speak few words on this day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Siona Dayal. I study in first class. Respected sir, principal, teachers, all my friends. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Happy Independence Day. We got freedom on his day. We hoist national flag on his day. We sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Let's be proud to be Indian. Happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.
Asin Khobragade from first standard will present his speech.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, my dear friends, happy Independence Day. My name is Asint Khobragade. I study in class first. Today I here to present a speech on Independence Day. India celebrates its independence on 15 August. It is celebrated to India to remember the day we got freedom from the British in 1947. Many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, etc. sacrificed their lives from freedom of our country. We should remember the sacrifice our leader and the peoples. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
पहली कक्षा के छात्र डेविड शेन ने स्वतंत्रता दिन के उपलक्ष्य में छोटा सा भाषण प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा पूरा नाम डेविड राजकुमार संडे है। मैं कक्षा पहली में पढ़ता हूँ। माननीय अतिथि, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं आपको इंडिपेंडेंस डे की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। मैं आपको खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। इस इंडिपेंडेंस डे को इसलिए मनाया जाता है, इस दिन हमारा भारत आज़ाद हुआ था, इसलिए हम भूल ना पाए, इसलिए ये डे मनाया जाता है। और इसी देश को आज़ाद करने के लिए कई अच्छे लोगों ने अपनी जान दे दी, जैसे वल्लभ भाई पटेल, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, गांधी जी, भगत सिंह, ऐसे कई जनों ने अपनी जान दे दी और इसलिए अपना भारत अब आज़ाद रहेगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
Ishita Kurde from 1st standard will present her speech.
Everyone, my name is Ishita Kurde. I study in class 1st standard. आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिन के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिन मनाने के लिए जमे हुए हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 रोजी भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन से आजादी मिली। महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, चंद्रशेखर आजाद के बलिदानों को कभी नहीं भूल सकते। वो अपने देश के लिए शहीद हुए। आज भी हमारे देश में आतंकवाद, बेरोजगारी जैसी समस्या है। इस समस्या को सुलझाने के लिए पूरा प्रयास करेंगे और भारत को विश्व का बेहतरीन देश बनाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
न पूछो जमाने को कि क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ इतनी है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी हैं। Now 7th standard girls Lakshika Bhongade, Janvi Selekar and myself will present a beautiful song.
मेरे प्यारे वतन तुझको सत सत नमन, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। तू ही मेरा करम, तू ही मेरा धर्म, तू ही मेरा करम, तू ही मेरा धर्म, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। मेरे मिट्टी की खुशबू तेरे साथ में, मेरा एहसास है दिल तेरे साथ में, मेरा एहसास है दिल तेरे साथ में। नौचावर है मेरे सारे जन्म, तुझ पे नौचावर है मेरे सारे जन्म, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। मेरे प्यारे वतन तुझको सत सत नमन, मेरे प्यारे वतन तुझको सत सत नमन, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरा रहूं जिस्म जुम, सबसे प्यारा वतन मेरा भारत महान, सबसे प्यारा वतन मेरा भारत। सारी दुनिया में तुझसा ना कोई चमन, सारी दुनिया में तुझसा ना कोई चमन, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। मेरे प्यारे वतन तुझको सत सत नमन, मेरे प्यारे वतन तुझको सत सत नमन, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम, दिल मेरा पुकारे वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Master Arant Mishram from 4th standard will present his speech.
Good morning all of you respected HM sir, my teachers and dear students. My name is Arhant Vishwas Mishram. I am studying in 4th standard. अब भी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. This dialogue from Rang De Basanti gives goosebumps to listener, but I should those fighters who sacrificed their life for us. 74 years ago, that is 15 August 1947, our country got freedom from British rules. Freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the list goes on. We all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. Today is the very significant day for all Indians, which we celebrate remembering listeners of Greater India leaders who had given their life for the freedom of prosperities of the country. We are so lucky our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happiness where we can sleep the whole night without fear and enjoy the life. We should take oath today of beginning highlight responsible and well-educated citizen of the tomorrow India. Happy Independence Day all of you. Thank you.
Sahil Chamlate of 4th standard will present his speech.
All of you, my name is Sahil Chamlade. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am presenting speech on Independence Day. Respected principals, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. As first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, we got independent from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. A peaceful life that we are live today is just because of their sacrifice. Let all work together to make our country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let's celebrate today with a great joy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Nishant Gate of 5th standard will speak few words on account of Independence Day.
Good morning to principal, sir, teacher and my all dear friends. My name is Nishant Gate. I study in 5th standard. Now I am going to speak a speech on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It is a very important day for us because on 15 August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. India becomes independent country after a lot of hard work and sacrifices of brave Indian freedom fighters. Due to this brave heroes, we are living a happy life today. We should never forget his contribution. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
David Meshram of 5th standard will deliver his speech.
Good morning everyone, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire life for independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. We have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty. Progress to growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Prisha Ulke from KG2 will deliver her speech.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. My name is Prisha
कक्षा 5वीं के छात्र डेविड मेश्राम और अंशु विश्वकर्मा एक प्यारा सा गीत प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं।
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाल हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। थैंक यू।
आन देश की शान, देश की हम संतान है। 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा, यह अपनी पहचान है। Now from 6th standard, Prince Rahan Dale, Nidhi Shende and Maithili Borkar will present a song.
Good morning all of you. Myself Maithili Sharad Borkar.
Myself Nidhi Shende.
Myself Prince Rangdale.
Myself Nanishwari Kharmate.
Today we are singing song Kesari. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में चलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे एक केसरी रंग सजाया है। ए मेरी ज़मीन अफ़सोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द समय महसूस रहे, तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे ना रहे। ए मेरी ज़मीन महबूब तेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून बहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलिहान में ले जा, झूम के बंगला पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जा लौट के वापस आ न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरी वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ जो असमत में मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख भरी मैं नन्हा था, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका लागम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आग से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद में और चांद हमेशा रहता है। माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आग से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद में और चांद हमेशा रहता है।
आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Yashashvi Gajbie of 6th standard will present her speech.
Morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Yashashvi Sudhir Gajbie and I am going to speak few lines on Independence Day. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. This day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled our country around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. Let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Prince Rang Dale of 6th standard will present his speech.
Good morning to respected HM sir, teacher and all of you. First of all, wish you a very happy Independence Day. Myself Prince Rangdale from class. As today we all know, it is the Independence Day, which is very special and important day for all of us. As we'll all get freedom from the United Kingdom of 15 August 1947, which makes this day great and memorable. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future place a huge responsibility on our shoulder. The signification of its beautiful story is that this nation has gained respect from the world for its democratic route chosen by it. We can proudly say that India has never invited any country in its 1,000 years of history. Now, at last, I want to say two lines on this occasion. गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमां में तिरंगा हमारा. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Ramteke of 6th standard delivered her speech.
Start.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Happy Independence Day. My name is Astha Praveen Kumar Ramteke. I am studying in class 6. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independent on this day. We hoist national flag on this day. Everybody sing the national anthem. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. This year we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It is celebrated with full enjoy. Independence Day is a national festival in India. Every Indian celebrates this day. Let's be proud to be Indians. Once again, Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
कक्षा 6वीं की छात्रा अनघा बोरकर गीत प्रस्तुत कर रही है.
दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद
very warm good morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Kanishwari Bhagwan Karnataka. As we all know that due to Corona, we are not able to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. As we all know that we got independence from British in 1947. The day signifies our partition of India and Pakistan into two countries. First of all, I am thankful my elders to overwhelm me to present my thoughts in front of all of you. Independence Day is a memorable day for all the citizens. It is written in golden words in history. Indians were treated as slaves. They were deprived of any happiness or fundamental rights in their own country. They marched towards India. They marched towards Indian independence. They marched towards India. Indian independence started in 1857. They marched towards British. Indian independence started in 1857. Many freedom fighters fought for their independence, and finally, the great day arrived in 1947. We got our independence. Addressing you today on this auspicious occasion and ending my speech by paying respect and tribute to all freedom fighters. Thank you once more. Happy Independence Day.
सोनाक्षी थुलकर कक्षा 6वीं की छात्रा एक देशभक्ति गीत प्रस्तुत कर रही है.
Hello, myself Sonakshi Vishwajit Thurkar from 6th standard. First of all, Happy Independence Day to all. I will present one song है मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन. मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. इसके वास्ते निसार रहे मेरा मन मेरा तन. ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन.
From 7th standard, Janvi Selokar will present her speech on this great day.
Good morning to our respected HM sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you a happy Independence Day. My name is Janvi Selokar from class 7. Today on this special occasion, I would like to give a speech. It is almost 74 years in India freed itself from the clutches of British and become independent. On August 15, we will celebrate our 74th India's independence, which was won with sweat, blood and lives in year 1947. Let's travel back in time and read this quote from the Indian Prime Minister's speeches through the years to enough to ignite the sparks of pride. Freedom is not a mere matter or political decision or new constitution. It is the mind and heart, and if the mind narrows itself and be forget and the heart is full of bitterness and hearted, then is कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल कर देख लेना, कैसे होती है मुल्क की हिफाजत, कभी सरहद पर खड़े जवानों को देख लेना. Freedom fighters such as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. struggled to make our country free from the Britishers. In addition, they were ones who sacrificed their lives for this country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. फांसी चढ़ गई और सीने में गोली खाई, फांसी चढ़ गई और सीने में गोली खाई. हम उन शहीदों को प्रणाम करते हैं जो मिट गए देश के लिए, हमने सलाम करते हैं. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now Naneshwari Kharmate will give vote of thanks.
Honorable Principal, teachers and all my dear friends, a very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Naneshwari Kharmate from 6th standard. I feel proud to propose the vote of thanks on the behalf of Stanford School and on my own behalf. I would like to thank all the participants, and here I am declaring the program is over. Once again, I thank you one and all, and take you live with a grateful heart. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.